Okay, I want to reel thread inside the bobbin winder. This is not working. It should have sat, but it's like it's not working. So make sure the first thing, make sure that there is no thread in your needle. If there is a thread in your needle, make sure you remove it. So I've already removed the threading. This is very, very important. Make sure you have removed the thread from the needle, otherwise it's going to clog under and the machine will not move. So the next thing I want to do now, so this is a thread. So I brought out a strand of the thread. I'm going to wind a bit around the reeler. I'll just stop it. Then make sure it is on top. Make sure the thread is on top. It is on top like this. Don't let it be down like this. Make sure it is on top. If it is down, your hand, raise it up so you can see the way it is on top. Then get your screwdriver, put it inside. Then you need to hold the thread with your left hand gently while you use your right hand to hold the screwdriver. Then start